Hello everyone, this just came to my office today from United States. I'm going to do some unboxing of these guys and I'm very excited with these new purchases. Let's see. So I'm going to unbox now. I have my pen knife here. What do we have here? Yes, some might have guessed. This is the thing that I'm waiting for. Let's open it up. Nicely wrapped with a thin piece of paper. Going to use this pen knife to open it up. Never mind, I just tear it off. Okay. This is the Magnus Walker Porsche 964. I'm very excited about this. Some of the RLC members already got this and they have already opened up their set, and from their review it looked very good. I hope mine is not as disappointed. Another layer of paper. Is there a serial number here? Okay, number 6814 out of 10,000. Magnus Walkers. Hot Wheel debut is version of Magnus Walkers. Blah 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 blah. Rear rider view, the include figure, the jump to cover a few canyon routes. The rider metal. Okay, let's open it up. Where is this? Not bad. Funny color. So 10,000. Seriously. Very nice color. How do I open this up? Very nice color. In quite detail. Let me see if we can see inside clearly. No, I have a very bad phone, so Sorry about that. Outlaw. And the word clearly put Porsche, and it's quite detailed. There's a rubber here. Let me take this piece out from the base. So there's a rubber band here. What the heck is that? The bottom engine, look at that, nicely done. And this is awesome. I'm a Porsche lover, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Can we see the? Yeah, we can see the Porsche logo here. Oh, very nice. And they are very detailed. I actually do hope the door can be open, but no Hot Wheels. Yeah. So let me zoom in. Yep. There you go, folks. This is not a very good video, but I hope I do get the message across that this piece is absolutely gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Bye.